Hi stamping friends, I'm Karina with karinascreations.com and I want to show you today how to make this really quick and cute secret message card. So you open it up. This is the Tap 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 stamp set. When you open it up, it reveals a secret message, and this one says, "Hello, my friend." So I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. This is actually part of my stamp set of the month this month. The stamp set is called Tap Tap Tap, and it has this really, really cute typewriter image. And this will be one of the cards that we're making. So to make this card, you need baked brown sugar cardstock. And the baked brown sugar cardstock is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and it's scored at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8 of an inch. And then all I did was layer on some soft suede cardstock, and you can see the panel. I've already pre-assembled it. It's 1 7/8 of an inch by 5 1/4 inch, and then the Coastal Cabana layer is 1 5/8 of an inch by 5 inches, and I have put it in the embossing folder. I can't remember what this one is called. Something polka dots, maybe. Large polka dots? I'll put it on my blog. And then what you also need for this card is you have to have a centerpiece, and the centerpiece is in soft suede, and it's cut at 3 1/4 inch by 5.5 inches. And then all I did was put in my 1 3/8 of an inch circle punch, put it in as far as it would go and punch a hole. And then this actual circle layer was made with the circle framelits, and I'll put a picture on my blog of how I did that. But there's a little bit of a trick with this. You can see I went and stamped the greeting separately and punched it out with the same circle framelit. So what you do is you have your piece of paper down, you stamp your greeting, you put one circle framelit down, and then the next larger side at the same time when you run it through your Big Shot machine, and that's what you get. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put this card together. So I've already pre-stamped the image for you, and I put it on the Starburst framelit. And again, this is just stamped with StazOn ink on Whisper White cardstock, punched out with a circle framelit. And we'll set that aside. And the whole trick to this card are these two little pieces. So this is 2 inches by 3 inches. And you want to make sure when you cut, so I cut in the center and then cut up on each side to make this little pennant shape. And you want to make sure when you put these together that it goes on the inside. It goes on the inside of the score lines. Otherwise, when you make your card and try to close it up, it's not going to fit. So if you find that you didn't cut your V shape deep enough, you need to cut it a bit more. Okay, so this is how I made my card. I just took a little bit of snail adhesive, and I'm going to line this up. Line this up, the little greeting, with my soft suede piece. So I'm just putting this down, and I'm just put a little bit of snail adhesive on the back, and I'm just going to line this up underneath. Hold it down like this. I just want to try center it. I found this was a little bit easier doing it this way than trying to stamp in the center of my card, because if I made a mistake, that wouldn't be very good. Now on the back of the center piece, you can see I put dimensionals, and this one works best if you cut the dimensional in half for the top. The bottom, it doesn't really matter. So all I'm going to do is take my sticky parts off the 2 bottom dimensionals and line it up on the card like so. So these ones are still not attached yet. Then I'm going to take my 2 inside pieces, and you can see I put sticky strip on the sides. These are actually scored at about 1/2 inch, and like I said, if it's too much, then you just trim off the edge, because this has to go on the inside of these 2 score lines. So I am lifting this up, placing this over my greeting. It's hard to do when I'm filming. Okay, and then I'm just removing the sticky strip. I should have done that before I did this. Okay, take off your sticky strip piece, your linings, or liner. Okay, that is how it's going to go. Now all I'm going to do is close up my card. Sticky strip is on here. And watch what happens. Ta-da! Oops. That didn't work so well. Okay, let's try this again. Ready? Stick it down. Okay, now there's a ta-dum. So when it opens, it's going to reveal your message. So right now I still have to remove the adhesive backing off of these dimensionals, the two that are at the top. Okay, ready? Now there's the ta-da. And there's the hello, my friend. And then all I did was put 2 dimensionals on the back of my typewriter image. And we'll put that on the card, like so. There, isn't that cute? And then I thought it needed a little heart. So we have new itty bitty punches in the shape of a heart and a star. And there's one other shape. I'll put it on my blog as well. So I'm just putting a little heart on the inside, just because it makes it so cute. And that's it. So that's how you make this secret message card. And it's fun, and I'll put the dimensions on my blog so you can make a few at home for your friends. Thanks for watching. Happy stamping.